YouTube channel Tech Ellen. Today we are going to discuss about some Linux basic commands. So I have installed the Linux CentOS 8 in my VMware workstation. Let's log in. So we are in the Linux now. Open the terminal, go to activities and open the terminal. So our terminal tab is open now. Let's start learning commands one by one. So our first command is pwd. Pwd command represents the present working directory. So we are in home directory. is the profile is a profile directory we are in. So next command is list command. We use it as ls. It will list all the files and folders containing in the directory. Similarly, if you type ls space -a, it will shows all the hidden files and folders in that directory. The next important command we are going to learn is to create or remove a directory. So the command to create a directory, mkdir, your directory name, I'll give it as a new. So we are creating directory with a name new. So directory has been created. You can cross check by typing ls. So you can see here we have created a directory with the name new. So another command to remove the directory, rmdir, the directory name new, directory is gone. Cross check. You'll be not able to find any directory with the name new. It has been removed with the command rmdir. And another important command is clear, to clear the screen. And a useful command which we are using to see the file directory structure, set3 command. You'll be able to see all the folders and the files they are containing. You can see different folders with the different files over here. Another important command to check the OS version, cat /etc OS-release. So we will be able to see all the details regarding our Linux operating system. We are using CentOS Stream version 8 here, and it is Red Hat support product. So here cat command we use to print the details or information which are containing inside the file OS-release. And the next command is to go to home directory, cd space tilde. This symbol we call it as tilde. Hit enter, we'll go to home directory. So since we are already in home directory, and cd is a command to change directory, cd space any directory name, downloads. I'll select download file. So we are in the download files. So suppose I want to go back to my home directory, cd space tilde. Yep, you can check now. We are outside the download folders and we are in the home directory. And the next command is to change directory. For changing directory, we use the command cd. Suppose we need to go inside the folder music. Type cd space music. Yes, we are inside the music folder. If you want to move out the music folder, type cd space ... You are moved out this folder music. So by using command cd space dot dot, we can move out any folders which we are working in. Show here. So now we are outside our home directory. Suppose we want to go back to our home directory, the same command cd space tilde, we are in home directory. Next command is to create a file. We use the command touch and the file name and give it as bob.txt is the format. Hit enter. You can cross check here. So file has been created with the name bob. And similarly, to remove that file, rm space -rf. You should never use -rf because it will remove the file permanently. Since I'm working in test environment, I'm using the command -rf. It will forcefully remove the file. Yep, it's gone. You can check here. We are not able to find any file name with bob. Another command to find the disk overall size, du space -sh. You will be able to find the disk size space over here. It's 267 MB. Next command we are going to use is ifconfig. This command we use to find the IP address. Hit enter. Here you will be able to see the IP address of your virtual machine, netmask, and broadcast IP address. So another command, hostname, to find the hostname of your virtual machine. It's a H server and hostname space -i. Hit enter. It will show the IP address of your hostname. So let's move on to the next command, free space -h. It will show the RAM status of your virtual machine, the total RAM, the used RAM, and the free RAM available. So next, move on to the next command, top. Top command, it shows all the system related details like the consumption of your CPU and number of processes running, sleeping, and number of zombie files. To show all the details of the processes running in your VM machine. So the last command we are going to discuss is history. History command we use to find all the commands we have earlier used, to list all the commands which we have recently used. So these are all the commands we will be using in our daily life while working in a Linux environment. So if you have any doubts, you can just comment on my video.